Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7th. Today is 16th June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. From now, your online classes has been started. I am your social studies teacher and today we will study chapter number 3. As we have read it already, but we will recall it. Understand? So open page number 10, chapter number 3, main agricultural products of the Muslim world. You will have to read this chapter thoroughly. Understand? I will explain some key points over here of this chapter. Okay? I will explain some key points of this chapter over here. First of all, definition of agriculture. Agriculture is the practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and rearing of animals to provide food, wool and other products. Agriculture is the practice of farming. फार्मिंग की एक काइंड है ये. फार्मिंग काश्तकारी की फसलें वगैरह काश्त करना एग्रीकल्चर कहलाता है. और जंगलात उगाना, फ्रूट के बाग लगाना, ये सब एग्रीकल्चर में आता है. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट. देयर इज वूल, कॉटन, शुगर, रबर, टी, कॉफ़ी, कोको, wheat and rice. Okay. Number 1 is wool. The fine, soft, curly or wavy hair forming the coat of a sheep, goat or similar animal, especially when shorn and prepared for use in making cloth or yarn. फाइन होती है, स्मूथ होती है, सॉफ्ट होती है और वेवी हेयर टाइप इसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है. कोट ऑफ शीप, शीप का जो कोट होता है यानी कि उसके ऊपर के बाल, उसके ऊपर की स्किन के ऊपर जो हेयर्स वगैरह होते हैं शीप और गोट्स के, या फिर इसी तरह के और एनिमल्स जो हैं. और जब इनको ऊपर से उतारा जाता है इनको, और फिर इनसे क्या बनाया जाता है? यॉर्न और क्लॉथ. नेक्स्ट इज डिफरेंट फीचर्स ऑफ वूल. वूल इज़ बेस्ट टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट, यानी कि इससे कपड़ा वगैरह से और इस तरह की और कोई भी चीज़ें, टॉवल वगैरह, सॉक्स वगैरह, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो कि जिसमें फैब्रिक यूज़ हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट. सो वूल इज़ बेस्ट टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट. वूलन क्लॉथ्स कीप द बॉडी वार्म. Harder and rougher wool is perfect for carpet making. Highest quality wool is the world in the world comes from sheep in Kazakhstan. The Muslim world supplies about 10% of the world's wool. Muslim countries include Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey and Central Asian states are included here. Now, cotton, a soft white fibrous substance that surrounds the seeds of a tropical and subtropical plant and is used as textile fiber and thread for sewing. Understand? Different features of cotton. Cotton is one of the world's leading agricultural crop. It is used as cloths, luxury material, thinnest and finest fabric, heavy canvas for tents and sails. Comfortable to wear in hot climate, easily dyed and washed. Muslim countries produce 20% of the world's cotton. The leading cotton growing Muslim countries are Egypt, Pakistan, Turkey, Uzbekistan and Sudan. China is the world's biggest producer of cotton. Next is sugar. Sugar is the product obtained from the juice of sugar cane, a kind of a tall, strong grass. Different features of sugar. Sugar is used for many different purposes in food. Remains of the sugarcane bagasse are used to heat the furnace for boiling down the sugar solution. 1 ton of bagasse gives the same heat as 2 barrels of oil. Bagasse can also be used as animal food. Pakistan produces 3.5% of the world's sugar. Brazil is the world's largest producer, produces 33% of the world's sugar cane. Rubber. A tough, elastic, polymeric substance made from the latex of a tropical plant or synthetically. Synthetically means it is made in factories. Different features of rubber. Rubber is used in tires, in making hose pipes, belts, for machinery, in shoes making, as an insulator in electrical equipment. Insulator means that it is the kind of material which does not allow any heat or light to pass through it. The rubber tree was originally found in the Amazon rainforest. In 19th century, British scientists smuggled out some seeds and plants and grew them in Southeast Asia. Muslim countries are producing 20% of all the world's rubber. The main producing countries in the region are Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and some parts of India. Tea. The evergreen shrub or small tree that produces tea leaves. Different features of tea. Its uses of tea are used as tea, as drink. Oil is produced from tea seeds. Used in cosmetics. Muslim countries produces about 15% of the world's output of tea. 18% of all the tea grown in the world is drunk in Muslim countries. Coffee. The word coffee comes from the Arabic word kahwa, a hot drink made from the roasted and ground seed, coffee beans of a tropical shrub. Different features of coffee. One of the most valuable agricultural products. The use of this beverage originated from Arabia and was taken to other parts of the world by traders. Discovered in the Somalia, Ethiopia. After drinking, keep you longer hours awake. Indonesia is the main producer of coffee in the Islamic world. Muslim countries produce 15% of the world's total supply. Other producing countries are Yemen, Ethiopia and the Ivory Coast. Number 7 is cocoa. It's a chocolate powder made from roasted and ground cocoa seeds. Cocoa is made from the seeds of the cocoa pod. Here are cocoa bean. Different features of cocoa. Cocoa was discovered in Mexico, where cocoa was a drink of the nobles. Became popular drink in Europe in the 17th century. Now almost all cocoa is grown in West Africa and Southeast Asia. Indonesia and Malaysia produce about 18% of the world's cocoa supply. Uses of cocoa. It's used in making sweets and chocolates. Cocoa butter in cosmetic and medicines, uses as a form of money. Number 8 is wheat. A cereal plant that is the most important kind grown in temperate countries. Temperate countries are neither too hot nor too cold. The grain of which is ground to make flour for bread, pasta, pastry, etc. Different features of wheat. Pakistan and Turkey are among the very few nations who produces much and after fulfilling the country's requirement export. Muslim world produces nearly 17% of the world wheat. USA has fields measuring many hundreds of hectares and gigantic machines for planting and harvesting. Number 9 is rice, a swamp grass which is widely cultivated as a source of food, especially in Asia. Different features of rice. Rice is the tropical equivalent of wheat. Rice needs a great deal of water and heat. China and India are producing about 2/3 of the world's largest supply. Muslim countries, especially Indonesia and Bangladesh, grow over 18% of the total. Number 10 is palm oil, a widely cultivated tropical West African palm tree that is the chief source of palm oil. Now, different features of palm oil are: Malaysia is the world's leading producer, forms the base for soap industry, can also be used as edible oil. Now, there are some countries and their products. Bangladesh, you can watch this at page number 16 from here. Bangladesh, jute, tea, rice, cotton and cloth. These products are produced by Bangladesh. Coady ivory, coffee and cocoa. Egypt, cotton, wheat, vegetables and oranges. Indonesia, cotton, timber and rice. Iran, fruit, pistachio nuts. Malaysia, palm oil and timber and fruit. Morocco, fruit and vegetables. Pakistan, rice, cotton and fruit. Turkey, wheat.